Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, I have another Coach unboxing. So let's take a look and see what we have. Once you see this bag, you will know which hashtag I'm using for it as well. So let's take a look. See what it is if you haven't already read it. This is a natural satchel and it has a shipboard date of 10/10/24 and it was 25 out of 50. So let's unwrap it, y'all. And I do want to say welcome back and thank you for returning to all of my current subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. And welcome to my new subscribers as well. I hope you enjoy my content. If you are watching this video and you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Alright, y'all. So you saw the label. It says natural satchel. But which natural satchel is it? If you know Dooney Bourke, then you know that natural is their description for their Florentine leather. So that's which satchel this one is. And with saying that, then you know that this is going to be for the hashtag of Natural November. So let's take a look, you all, and see what we got. I'm already seeing a couple of those famous Florentine scratches, but let's see how it is. It may not be that bad. Yeah, y'all, I don't know. I don't know about this one, y'all. Let me keep looking. Okay, the feet. I do prefer when the leather comes all the way across under the feet, so I do prefer that. Oh my goodness, y'all. The tassels are not wrapped, so that's the first thing I'm seeing. So this may more than likely be a return. Maybe it was a store bag or display bag or something with the scratches that are on it. But this right here is not, I'm not feeling good about that. And this one has been marked down. I'm not sure if it's still on there, but it was marked down a lot for a while. So I just thought that they made quite a few that they were trying to sell. But just looking at this one, I'm not happy with this, y'all. If you can see the flaws or imperfections on here, I'm not sure if this is going to be a keeper. So I'm not going to unwrap the handles on this one. I think it'll let me slide it so that you can at least see the whip stitching in it. But it's not looking good. And this looks like the medium. It doesn't look like the large. It didn't say large. The hang tag says made in America, so maybe that's why the feet are different. I'm still not liking this front, y'all. That's not sitting right. Can I have a chance to put scratches on my bag, please, myself? I don't want to receive it already scratched. And I'm usually pretty careful to not scratch up my bags, but I'm not liking that. And then it's like a crease in the leather here. And that's on the front too. Goodness gracious. Let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all can see what I'm seeing here. This doesn't look like things that I could just rub out. And I shouldn't have to do this much rubbing on a new purse. So I'm going to take a look inside and see what we got on there. But I'm not unwrapping the handles. I gave you a peek at the whip stitching on them. So that's what the full handle looks like. The tassels not being wrapped is another sign as well. But since it's made in America, I believe it said that the Made in America bags don't come fully wrapped, because I see that the strap is not wrapped. So it does have the Dooney Bourke dust bag. The strap is not wrapped. I believe, like I said, is a feature of the Made in America bags. This one has the key leash attached to the strap. Does it have two hang tags? Oh, it's just kind of looped through the top. So let me move these outward and unstuff it so you all can see the interior. And I am going to compare this, you all, to the medium male satchel that I have, so that you can see the difference between the traditional Dooney Bourke satchel and the medium male satchel. So interior looks good. Slip pocket, key leash. The Dooney Bourke authentication labels there as well. And then the zipper pocket on the other side, which is the back with the leather patch. You see the green suede. If you have not seen a Dooney Bourke Florentine Satchel, this is the normal setup for it. Excuse me, it does have the registration sticker and card as well. So you all, just my first impression of it. Excuse me. I don't believe I'm going to keep this one with the introduction that I received on the front. Let me put the key leash and the strap back inside. And it is time consuming doing returns. I don't like having to return a bag. I'm so excited to order it at the good price and then receive it, and then have to take that time to return it. I don't like that. But, excuse me, I'm not going to keep it. So, let me get some water, y'all. Just a moment. Okay. So, I was saying that I don't like having to do that whole process of returns. When I order a bag and it's something like this, especially, I'm excited and looking forward to it. The picture was there. And I get it and I see it with the flaws like this. And then when you return it, it may or may not be available for the same price. It may or may not be available, period. And then the price itself, unless I reorder it right away, the price or sale may have already ended. So, but I am going to return this, y'all. I'm not going to keep it, but I am still at least going to do a comparison with the medium male satchel, so that you can see the differences in the traditional satchel compared to the medium male satchel. So this is one that I already have had in my collection for a while. And I got this particular one because of the opening on it. As you saw with the traditional satchel, the opening is shorter. With the male satchel, if you have not seen it before, and let me move this one back some, it does have a full opening on it. The interior setup is pretty much the same. It's a little shorter, I would probably say. Well, that's the difference. The slip pocket is one full slip pocket on the back versus a split slip pocket. And this one does have the key leash as well as the Dooney Bourke authentication label also. But the main difference to me is this opening on it. But even though the smaller opening on the traditional satchel is not my favorite, and I'll go ahead and just show the difference here. This opening, even though, again, this is the traditional satchel, I love the silhouette. The opening itself, it is smaller. I'm not sure, Dooney Bourke, if this is something that you could do, is like add a breakaway zipper here to where this zipper can fully open like a jacket zipper. So then that way we can easily have a easier access to get inside of the bag. I think that would make a huge difference because on this side, it's fully open, so you have more room. But over here, since this one does not break away to open all the way, or even if you, I don't know if you could make this longer, some way or another, just for the opening to be a little bit wider. And it won't take away from the silhouette itself, but you'll have easier access to get into the bag, especially with it being wider. But beautiful silhouette, but that's my only 2 cents I wanted to add to ask Dooney Bourke about doing that. But just back to the comparison to the medium male satchel. As I said, the opening here at the top, it is wider, so you're going to get a full zipper, should I say, at the top. Probably need to do a maybe stack them to see if that helps to see the both together comparison. It kind of does a little bit, so you can see the differences in the full zipper. Clearly you see a full zipper here and the shorter zipper here. With this one being more of a medium, this is a medium male satchel, but I believe this is bigger than the medium satchel itself. And then also a difference here with the feet. These are the feet that I prefer to have on the satchel compared to the feet on this one that does not have the leather trim. So that's another difference. Again, I don't know if this is something different for the ones that are made in America or not. But I do prefer the leather patch under the feet itself. But the base, it looks like they're about the same. So I will include the measurements to see what the dimensions, the differences in the dimensions are. But those are the main key differences. Of course, the front, you see the differences in the leather structure of the bag itself. The patch, I believe, is maybe, I know the background's darker, but I don't know if it's a little bigger on the medium male satchel compared to the traditional satchel or not. The handles are about the same because of the whip stitching. But all in all, I believe I prefer my medium male satchel so far over this one. I did just want to have both because of this is one of the signature silhouettes for Dooney Bourke, for their Florentine satchels itself. So So this little cutie is gonna have to go back. I put the dust bag back in there. I did. So you all, even though this did not turn out to be a keeper, I hope you all got something out of the video. You got to see the medium satchel that is currently or was previously marked down to a very good price on the I Love Dooney website in the color natural. As I mentioned, I will include the natural November hashtag as well as tag Simply D's channel as well for you to check that out. Her beautiful natural collection and other handbags. And the natural November hashtag is going to have a lot of handbags, natural color handbags for you to also see in one place under that hashtag. So you all, that's really it. You got to see the traditional Dooney Bourke satchel compared to the medium male satchel by Dooney Bourke. Let me know which one you all like or prefer, and I look forward to reading you all's comments. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it, and thank you, of course, for subscribing. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day. And again, thank you so much for watching.